In this video I will show you how I program my Atmega 328P microcontroller. It is very hard for programming a microcontroller IC with a breadboard, because for programming it with a breadboard we have to connect a lots of wire to the breadboard, and also the crystal, the resistor and everything. It's very difficult, and we also have to look for a pinout diagram every time for connecting it to the right pins. It is very time consuming. So I have made a simple circuit which can be directly snapped on to the Arduino Uno board for programming. I used a 60 MHz crystal, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, an IC base and an indicator LED. This LED is connected to the pin 13 of the microcontroller IC. So it will blink when it starts programming. I will show you an example. Now it's connected to my laptop and it starts blinking because I have uploaded the basic blinking code to the microcontroller IC, and its delay is 100. Now I will increase the delay to 1000. The uploading is started and done, and now the delay decreases to 1000. Hope the video was helpful. I have attached the circuit diagram in the description below. Hope you will subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching.